Fish benefits. Fish is a type of seafood that is consumed by humans for its high nutritional value and delicious taste. It is a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Now, let's take a look at 30 benefits of fish with some details. High in protein. Fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for growth and repair of body tissues. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Vitamin D. Fish is one of the best sources of vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Low in saturated fat. Fish is low in saturated fat, which is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Lowers blood pressure. Eating fish can help to lower blood pressure, which is a risk factor for heart disease. Reduces risk of stroke. Consuming fish regularly can reduce the risk of stroke, which is caused by a blockage or rupture of blood vessels in the brain. Good for eyesight. Fish is a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. Lowers triglycerides. Eating fish can help to lower triglyceride levels, which is a type of fat in the blood associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Reduces risk of depression. Consuming fish regularly can reduce the risk of depression and improve mood. Helps with weight loss. Fish is low in calories and can help with weight loss when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Good for brain function. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish are important for brain function and can help to reduce the risk of cognitive decline in older adults. Lowers risk of diabetes. Eating fish regularly can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Improves skin health. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish can help to improve skin health by reducing inflammation and preventing premature aging. Reduces inflammation. Fish is a good source of anti-inflammatory nutrients, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Boosts immune system. The vitamins and minerals in fish can help to boost the immune system and reduce the risk of infections. Lowers risk of Alzheimer's disease. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish can help to lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease, which is a type of dementia that affects memory and cognitive function. Good for bone health. Fish is a good source of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Reduces risk of asthma. Eating fish regularly can reduce the risk of asthma, which is a chronic respiratory condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Good for liver health. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish can help to improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Lowers risk of colon cancer. Consuming fish regularly can reduce the risk of colon cancer, which is one of the most common types of cancer worldwide. Reduces risk of prostate cancer. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish can help to reduce the risk of prostate cancer, which is a common cancer in men. Good for thyroid function. Fish is a good source of iodine, which is essential for thyroid function. Improves cardiovascular health. Consuming fish regularly can improve cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation, decreasing blood pressure, and lowering cholesterol levels. Good for pregnancy. Eating fish during pregnancy can provide essential nutrients for fetal development, such as omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin D. Reduces risk of rheumatoid arthritis. Consuming fish regularly can help to reduce the risk of rheumatoid arthritis, which is a chronic autoimmune disease that affects the joints. Good for kidney health. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish can help to improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Reduces risk of macular degeneration. Eating fish regularly can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, which is a leading cause of blindness in older adults. Good for oral health. Fish is a good source of fluoride, which is essential for strong teeth and preventing tooth decay. Sustainable food source. Many types of fish can be sustainably harvested, making it a good choice for environmentally conscious consumers. In summary, fish is a nutritious and delicious food that provides a wide range of health benefits. Incorporating fish into your diet can help to improve overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. However, it is important to choose fish that are sustainably harvested to protect the environment and ensure a healthy food supply for future generations. Thanks for watching.